Hey, what's up you guys? I'm Aaron with Uhaul. Today we're going to take a look at the stainless coupler lock. This connects straight to your trailer coupler to prevent any towing theft. Let's take a closer look. So this is a stainless steel coupler lock. This has a 3-inch span, which allows it to fit almost any size of trailer coupler width. Now to use it, we're just going to take our key, and it does come with 2 provided keys. We'll unlock it and we'll detach our pin. Now our pin will go right through the hole on our trailer coupler latch. And then you'll take your lock, put it on the other side, and we'll lock into place. Now this also has a watertight dust cover that you can secure over the keyhole to protect it from any dust or rust. Now what's really nice about this coupler lock is that you can use it while your vehicle and trailer is in tow. You can just connect your coupler to your vehicle and then lock it into place. And then if you're making any long trips and making lots of stops, no unwanted people can unlatch your coupler from your vehicle. Now this stainless steel coupler lock is also Uhaul specific. It was made to use for the Uhaul drop and tow coupler. Now if you're renting this coupler and you need a way to secure it on any long distance trip, you can just insert it on this hole on the coupler, and you can do it while in tow to lock it onto your vehicle so no one can remove it. So that wraps up our review for the stainless steel coupler lock. If you have any questions about these, or if you'd like to take a closer look at one, you can visit your closest Uhaul store, or you can visit us online at uhaul.com. Thank you.